How to switch from Opera News to other content platform. Step 1. Export or save a copy of your existing content. Before doing anything else, go through your Opera News Hub content library and copy the text of every article you have published. Opera Hub doesn't offer a bulk export tool, so this is manual. Keep this as your own backup since you will need the original wording for reference, not for direct republishing elsewhere, which risks duplicate content penalty on other platforms. Step 2. Research and choose your next platform based on your goals. Common alternatives Nigeria creators move to include YouTube, Medium, a self-hosted WordPress blog, or other content or platform like Vanguard's or Legit.ng's contributor programs. Each has different monetization models. YouTube pays via AdSense on video, ad revenue. Medium pays via its partner program based on member reading time, and a self-hosted blog gives you full control but requires you to bring your own traffic. Step 3. Set your account and payment method on the new platform. Sign up, verify your identity as required, and link a payment method. Note that platforms like Medium or YouTube typically pay via PayPal or direct bank transfer instance rather than OPay, so you may need a different payout setup than what you use for Opera. Step 4. Rewrite and adapt your content for the news platform, audience, and format. Don't just copy paste your Opera articles, rewrite them to fit the new platform tone, length norms, and audience expectation. This also protects you from being flagged for duplicate content if any of your Opera articles are still publicly indexed. Step 5. Redirect your existing Opera audience to follow you elsewhere. If you plan to keep posting on Opera, to add a line in your remaining Opera articles or by your bio pointing readers to your YouTube channel or new platform. If you are fully leaving Opera, consider whether to deactivate your Up account or leave it dormant. Check Opera's official terms on inactive accounts before deciding.